In this video, I will solve JEE Advanced 2024 Paper 1 question number 16. This question in written form has been given at the end of this video. Now, I only describe what is given in the question and what we have to find out. It is given in the question that line L1 with equation this, line L2 with equation this intersect at point R1. O is the origin with coordinate 0, 0, 0. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the line L1 and L2. Now we are asked to find these four values of list 1. When we find these four values only, we can match these entries with entries given in list 2. Value of gamma. Gamma is here. Z plus 4 by gamma. N cap. Value of possible value of n cap. Unit vector. N cap. Vector OR1. This vector. Vector OR1 is equal to what? Vector OR1 dot n cap is equal to what? Now we will start solution. Coordinate of any point on the line this can be taken as this, where lambda is parameter. If we suppose this is equal to lambda, and by using lambda as parameter, coordinate of any point on this line can be taken as this. When we change value of lambda, position of point on the line this also changes. If we suppose this is equal to lambda, then coordinate of point R1 on this line can be taken as this. If we suppose this is equal to mu, then coordinate of point R1 on this line L2 can be written as this. Since both these coordinates are of same point R1, therefore this x coordinate will be equal to this x coordinate. This y coordinate will be equal to this y coordinate. This z coordinate will be equal to this z coordinate. Thus we get these three equations. Solving 1 and 2, this equation and this equation, we get value of mu is equal to 5 and value of lambda is equal to 10. Either we Either we can put value of mu is equal to 5 in this coordinate, or we can put value of lambda is equal to 10 in this coordinate. Then we get coordinate of point R1 is equal to this -1, -1, 1. Therefore, coordinate of this point is -1, -1, 1. Putting mu is equal to 5 and lambda is equal to 10 in this equation number 3, we get value of gamma is equal to 1. That means value of this gamma will be equal to 1. Therefore, now we will erase this gamma from here and write here 1. If equation of this line be this, then a vector alpha along this line can be written as ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. By using this formula, a vector A along line L1 can be written as 1 times I cap plus 2 times j cap plus 3 times k cap. A vector B along line L2 can be written as 3 times I cap plus 2 times j cap plus 1 times k cap. If vector A be given in terms of ijk, vector B be given in terms of ijk, then vector A cross vector B will be equal to this determinant. In this determinant, first row is I cap, j cap, k cap. Second row is A1, A2, A3. And third row is B1, B2, B3. Since vector A is equal to this, vector B is equal to this, therefore A cross B, vector A cross B, which is perpendicular to vector A and also perpendicular to vector B, vector A cross B will be equal to I cap, j cap, k cap, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. After expanding this determinant, we get A cross B is equal to this. If vector A be A1i plus A2j plus A3k, then unit vector along vector A will be equal to vector A by mod of vector A, that is equal to this vector by A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square root under. Since A cross B is equal to this, therefore a unit vector of one magnitude in the direction of A cross B will be equal to A cross B by mod of A cross B, that is equal to vector this by minus 4 square plus 8 square plus minus 4 square root under. but it was given in the question that n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing the line L1 and L2. A unit vector which is perpendicular to this line and this line can be in this direction, or such unit vector can also be in this direction. In this direction, perpendicular to this, perpendicular to this. If unit vector in this direction is this, then unit vector in the opposite direction will be equal to minus sign before this. Therefore, n cap will be equal to plus minus this. Taking plus sign, we get n cap is equal to this. Taking negative sign, we get n cap is equal to this. If coordinates of 2 points A and B be x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, then we write vector AB is equal to this. By using this formula, we can write vector OR1 because coordinate of O is given and we already have found coordinate of R1 as -1, -1, 1. Therefore, vector OR1 will be equal to this. If vector A and vector B be given in terms of ijk, then vector A dot vector B is equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. Since vector OR1 is equal to this, and if we take this value of n cap, this value, then vector OR1 dot vector n cap will be -1 times 1 by root 6 plus -1 times -2 by root 6 plus 1 times 1 by root 6. That is equal to 2 by root 6. 2 can be written like this. Root 6 can be written like this. Then root 2 and root 2 will be cancelled out and we get root 2 by root 3, which can be written as root under 2 by 3.